Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 12th December. On the front page you have this coverage, it's Advantage Congress. So actually there was assembly elections held in 5 states, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Telangana and Mizoram. And the results have come forth and Congress has got good results. Congress has got a comfortable majority in Chhattisgarh. In Rajasthan also it is the majority. In Madhya Pradesh it was a seesaw battle with Congress and BJP almost going at the same level with same number of equal number of seats. But then finally Congress has become the single largest party. And in Telangana, it was TRS, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, which retained power with landslide win. And in Mizoram, MNF is back in power, Mizo National Front. So this is the detail as such of the seats also given here. Then below you have the news, Shashikant Das appointed RBI governor. So he's former Economic Affairs Secretary who was a vocal proponent of demonetization. So after sudden resignation of Governor Urjit Patel, Shashikant Das has been appointed as the new RBI governor. He's become the 25th governor of RBI. Then on page 7 you have this news down here. Lingayat issue not sent to NCM. So that is National Commission for Minorities. So the commission chairman says the panel did not receive the March 2018 proposal of the state government to declare Lingayat as a minority religion as such. Then on page 9 you have the news. Militants kill 4 policemen in Jammu and Kashmir. So 4 service rifles were snatched in an attack on a picket in Shopian in South Kashmir. Then this is don't reveal identity of rape victims, Supreme Court. So even a deceased victim's name should not be disclosed is what the Supreme Court has ordered. And this is Supreme Court directs center to declare 10-kilometer area around national parks as eco-sensitive zones. So this is very essential. It has been provided quite often. So 10-kilometer area around 21 national parks and wildlife sanctuaries across the country should be declared as eco-sensitive zones now. This is the direction of the Supreme Court to the Union Environment Ministry. And this is long wait for J&J patients continues. So they face hurdles in claiming compensation. We have done this. This is faulty artificial hip joint transplant which have taken place, because of which they have to get compensation, but then there are multiple problems which are being encountered here. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial, Northern Comfort. So this is regarding Congress win in elections. And second, and this is the only editorial, the lead article as such, a fiercely contested landscape. So this is again regarding the politics, Congress winning elections. So you can skip this too. This is a sign of revival again regarding Congress winning elections. Can be skipped. It is all political now. And this is never waste a good crisis. So this is regarding the situation presently created by Governor Urjit Patel resigning. So the article says the situation should be used to push through much needed reforms, which may not take place, but then what reforms are required here, you should know about them. And this is again regarding elections, Telangana, TRS winning in Telangana. And this is providing health for all. So this is Japan and India exchanging ideas and expertise in many projects to promote universal health coverage. Then on international page, you have this news, US hearing on religious freedom in India postponed. So this is a hearing, a bipartisan hearing on religious freedom in India, which was to take place. This is the hearing titled Freedom of Religion or Belief in India, Rising Challenges and New Opportunities for US Policy. So this is by US Commission on International Religious Freedom. So it's a bipartisan independent federal government commission as claimed. So it would have a hearing on India. So this has been postponed. It has been rescheduled for 13th May 2019. Then on business page, you have this news here, key agenda left to new governor's understanding. So governance issue was to be discussed at the 14 December board meeting of RBI, and now this key agenda will be left to the new governor's understanding. On the last page, you have this news: water traces found on asteroid Bennu. So this is NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft that has discovered ingredients for water on a nearby skyscraper-sized asteroid. So this is a rocky acorn-shaped object, the asteroid, and it has many clues to the origins of life on Earth. So here traces of ingredients of water have been found. And this is a rare blitz for trees. So this is BioBlitz. So this was held in India, in which in a short span of time, the tree watchers in India looked up at trees which were flowering and fruiting. So this is called Winter Tree Quest BioBlitz. So these are the important headlines. The detailed coverage of current affairs is done in a separate video. It's a separate course. The details of this is provided here on our website, ashah.com. So you can get the details here. Also on the website, we have the PDF for current affairs uploaded on a daily basis. So by the end of the day, the PDF is uploaded here. So you can have access to it here too. So that is it. Thank you.